I'm about to take it off. All right, this is Scotty B
and Hadley P.
Fix It, and today we are going to show you guys how to fix a Samsung washing machine that has given you constant trouble.
That's why we got it back.
And has been fixed about 1,200 times. So this is the easiest way to fix it. What you do is you get everyone who's been harmed emotionally by said washing machine and a baseball bat, and let your neighbors know not to call the cops. And the other thing is, get this glass piece off, okay? You don't want that breaking. All right, so safety first, and you always want to let the person abused the most get to go first. So we got our safety glasses on. Give it your best shot, babe.
What does he say in signs? Swing?
I don't know. Hit the washing machine.
Why won't you spin?
Hit it
Why
again.
won't you drain? I just want you to drain. Why not?
Yeah.
I hate you.
Get this front. There you go, front side. Yep. All right.
Stupidest washing
All right.
machine ever.
Give Hadley a shot. Yep.
Get all your
Everybody.
energy out.
Everybody gets a turn. Yep. Make sure you use an old baseball bat, because this is probably not great for your baseball equipment. And try not to stand behind in case she lets it go.
Daddy's turn.
All right, stand behind me.
Okay, for all the times we took out the took this thing apart. We took this thing apart so many times. We fixed it twice, and this is the third time we tried to fix it, and it's not gonna be fixed this time. Oh my God, Scott. Oh my God, Scott. Okay. Wow, he's really, you can tell he's got to get his aggression out.
All better.
All better?
My turn. I'll go again.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, worn out. That was the first step. Step 2, get your dolly, load that thing in the back of the truck, take it to your,
Samsung. Sayonara.
dump it off at an appropriate dumpster. Go to the Best Buy, get your 10% discount, buy a maytag or something that works, because this thing is a piece of shit. See you later. All right, so as you see here, we have our finished product. Okay, this thing is good as new, I'm gonna tell you. Just like I got it off the floor.